How's it going, guys? So today wasn't that good of a day. I ended up with $152, $78.60 commissions and 43 tickets. So basically it's a wash. It's all because I screwed up. I didn't stop out early enough. So anyway, so Disney gapped down today, and I took it for a short, very early open. So a huge engulfing pattern here on the 5 minute. This is how it looks like. So I took a short on the 1 minute. This is basically what happened is it struggled to bounce back. So I took a short, small size 300 shares. It dropped, it covered, and then eventually it dropped some more. It hit a double bottom, and then it popped back up. But that's my play for Disney. And then for match, very similar. It held this level at 5 minute, $84.55. It dropped basically here. I took a short, it popped back a bit, added to it, and then covered the remainder. Didn't really make that much because the spread was pretty big. So you know, when you're buying at the ask and selling at the bid, this is kind of what happened, especially if the moves weren't that great. And then it did a really big V reversal, held this for a couple minutes, and then it just popped back up. So, you know, that's just one of the reasons why it's always a good idea when things aren't going your way right away. You get out, because it stayed here for a bit and then it just popped. So if you're here and you're on a short, it's probably good to get out. So that's for Mitch. CVS is the one that got me. So CVS, let's look at the 1 minute. It looked like it was going to break high of the day. This is the high right here, 57. Went long, added to my position. I kept adding to it basically, and then it dropped. So I had to stop out, and then I went short, and then it just did a reversal, pop back up, and then I stopped out. So you know, so I stopped out twice. Actually, I didn't go short at all. Sorry. This is how messed up it was. So I went long, added, stopped out. I think it will bounce back. It looked like it was going to fall again. It stopped out, and that was it. And then it did actually bounce back. So anyway, that was almost $2,000. And then BYND, I got stuck in this. I went short here, seeing that there's this previous day level, thinking that this would drop to it. It did not, and it just popped up really quickly. BYND is one of those stocks that have a very big spread. So once it takes off, it was just gone. I should have still stopped out, but you know, it really got to me mentally. I took actually a pretty big size, 800 shares, so this was like $2 or $3,000 lost. But the thing is, I saw that up here there was this SMA on the 5 minute, and it didn't break this. So I just held on to it, and then finally got out as it got close to this, because I saw that you got close to this several times. So down here it just bounced. So here it bounced, got here, bounced, couldn't break this level, so I think it was going to go back here again, and it did. So I scaled out a lot here, and then on the way back up I just got out the remainder at a slight loss. This is like minus $24 or whatnot, so I ended up with 566. The play that was pretty good, turns out to be a play of the day, was for SEDG. Same, very similar concept as CVS, but you see this is why stopping out is good. In this case, it worked for me. CVS, it totally screwed me up. So this is sort of the level, 79.55. I went in for a long, added to my position, and then on the way up, I just scaled out. But this one, it worked for me on SEDG. On CVS, it did not. So if it doesn't work, I should have stopped out on CVS like right away. Took a small size, add to it, and then small size. If it didn't work, drop. If it works, kind of like this, add to it, and you know, just go for the pop. I didn't do that on CVS, and that just ruined my day. So my fault. Pretty much a break-even day. So it is what it is. Always stop out. And BYND could have gone the opposite way. I should have stopped out on this. Should not take such a big position. Small size, it popped up, even if big spread, whatnot. A couple $100, $200, $300, $400 won't be that bad. But when you take 800, pops up like this, that's like $1,000 right there. And this is like $2 or $3,000. So bad trading, but it is what it is. So, all right, that's it.